Good morning, everyone. I thought before I left for work today, I'd show you. I installed these Ecoflow 256 watt solar panels on top of my car here, Ecoflow. They're held on with 3M double-sided VHB tape. You can see they actually fit right to the roof line of the car here. So I have seen in full direct sunlight already approximately 220 to 30 watts. But what I did was, I had my friend, it comes with tape, and we ran these cables all the way down. It has plenty of length to go all the way into the trunk. I ordered a larger Pecron system to channel all the energy into during the day while I'm at work. But you can see the small Predator unit I have. It's only, what time is it? It's only about 7:50 right now. The sun is right up there, so it's not really at a good angle. But once it's sitting in a parking lot, it'll be getting a lot more. But you can see right here, it's pulling 39 to 40 watts. This is only a 512 watt hour battery, so this thing gets filled up pretty quickly in the daytime sun. But you can see I got the cables running in. Eventually I'm going to put the Pecron unit under in the sub trunk here, and I've got extra panels or extra cables here for more panels. I ordered a 400 watt solar blanket, so I'll be able to charge. You know, I don't know if I'll be charging the car off of it, but it will be for like camping and other things like that. It's always good to have a high powered battery in the trunk. So that's it. If you have any questions about the install was pretty straightforward. This is honestly, these are very high quality panels. Like, they went on very good. You can see everything is lined up properly, and it literally fits to the car. Some people don't even notice they're on there, and then when they do, they say, "Oh, that's pretty cool. You've got solar panels on the car." So but that's it. I figured I'd just make a quick little video about it, and when I get the Pecron, that'll be in probably about a week, or I think it's coming Monday. They're shipping from California. So but other than that, just shoot me with any questions. The install was easy, and I think the kit was like 450 bucks. I think it's pretty good value for what you get, because you don't have to put a roof rack on the car, which then, you know, lowers your efficiency. This is definitely the way to go. It doesn't reduce your aerodynamics, so your car doesn't lose any efficiency while you're driving. So that's it. Thank you.